Our topic for today is about odd or even. An even number is a number which is divisible by 2 and has a remainder of 0. 0, by the way, is considered as an even number. On the other hand, odd number is a number that is not divisible by 2. Hence, it has a remainder. In this quiz, all you have to do is to answer in complete sentence. For example, is the product odd or even? You will answer the product of 3 and 3 is odd. Now, are you ready to answer the quiz? Item number 1. Is the product odd or even? Product of 3 and 7 is odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 2. Is the product odd or even? The product of 3 and 3 is odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 3. Is the product odd or even? The product of 3 and 2 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 4. Is the product odd or even? The product of 5 and 2 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 5. Is the product odd or even? The product of 1 and 5 is odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 6. Is the product odd or even? The product of 3 and 5 is odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 7. Is the product odd or even? The product of 8 and 0 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 8. Is the product odd or even? The product of 7 and 2 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 9. Is the product odd or even? The product of 2 and 2 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 10. Is the product odd or even? The product of 3 and 9 is odd. Kindly repeat. Congratulations kids! Ngayong natuto na kayo sa pag-determine ng odd or even, yayain nyo ang iyong mga kasamahan o mga kapwa-bata upang matuto sa math. This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.